HiMJ, and this is a CB100 fan-powered humidifier. All the fan-powered units basically look similar to this. They all operate the same. They all have a little fan that's hiding inside of here that circulates air through the humidifier pad, and what it really does is it takes air from the ductwork, draws it through the pad here, puts moisture into it, and then blows that humidified air back into the same ductwork. When this thing is running properly, you will see water trickling down the drain here. It should not be running down the drain, like flying down the drain like a fire hose. It should be trickling down the drain when it's operational. Right now we have this one turned off, and I will show you this running here in a minute. If you see water flying down the drain like a fire hose, that is usually an indication that up inside of here there's a little orifice, and that orifice has failed and has a large hole in it. Those orifices are very easily replaced. If you see water running down the drain continuously when the humidifier is turned off and unplugged, that is not normal. That usually means the solenoid valve is stuck open, and that does happen at times, and then you need to put a new solenoid valve in. So let's turn this thing on so you can see what it looks like when it's running. All right, we have the unit running now, and I can hear the fan running inside of here barely, but I can hear it. And I can also see water trickling down the drain here. If you look at it properly, you will see water fairly trickling, but it is water trickling down the drain. And that is normal when it's running properly. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.